April 1st. April 1st is a good, April Fool's Day. That's a good day to look at some Ford engineering. I'll tell you what. Where's my other file here? Hang on. All right, there it is right there. So you're going to notice when you look at a cast product from Ford, there's an edge, there's a seam on it, and I've already taken this down quite a bit. But there's a big, they don't finish anything off. There's no finishing, there's no, the inside edges here are all sharp, so if you got to get down inside and work on anything down there, you can't get a socket through there. I've already widened this out probably 1/8 of an inch, so you could actually get in there to change that pressure sensor now if you had to, or the pressure regulator if you had to. All right, so yeah, just take a big old rat's tail file and just spend a few minutes and you can smooth up all the inside of number 5 here, man. And things like sharp as a razor blade. I mean, there's no need for that. You look at any well-engineered car on the planet, I don't care if it's Japan, German, or man, I think they built Yugos better than this. You at least, you know, take the dirty edges off of the casting at least. Ford didn't do none of that. They got these things and shoved them out the door as quick as they could. You know, back edge maybe not so much, but at least on the front edge, give somebody something to look at. This inside edge, you drop something down in there, you got to get in there to change a sensor out or a controller. It's dangerous working in that. And it's hard to get, you can't even get a socket through there. I widened that thing out. It's ridiculous. Ford. Laziest engineers ever.